Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. We're so excited to have you here with us today. Today we're taking a trip to the heart of the Midwest, Toledo, Ohio. This city is often overlooked, but it's a hidden gem with so much to offer. You know, when you think of Ohio, you might think of, well, cornfields. And sure, Ohio has plenty of those. But Toledo's got a whole lot more going on than meets the eye. We're talking cool museums, beautiful parks, and a vibrant art scene. And let's not forget the Toledo Zoo, which is home to a super rare and adorable baby rhino. Seriously, you gotta see this little guy. He's the star of the show and a must-see for any animal lover. So buckle up, Buttercup, because we're about to dive into the 10 best places to visit in Toledo. From historical landmarks to modern attractions, we've got it all covered. You won't want to miss this. Stay tuned as we explore the hidden treasures and popular spots that make Toledo a fantastic travel destination. First stop, the Toledo Museum of Art. This place is a treasure trove of artistic wonders. And let me tell you, this isn't your grandma's dusty old art museum. It's vibrant, it's alive, and it's brimming with creativity. Okay, maybe a little bit, because it's got 35 centuries worth of art. From ancient artifacts to contemporary masterpieces, there's something for everyone. But trust me, this place is stunning. The galleries are beautifully curated, making every visit a unique experience. We're talking paintings from Van Gogh, Monet, Picasso, the biggest names. You can get up close and personal with some of the most iconic works in art history. And the building itself? Gorgeous. Greek Revival architecture, big marble columns, and an aura of timeless elegance. It's like stepping into ancient Greece. The architecture alone is worth the visit, a perfect blend of history and beauty. Whether you're an art buff or just appreciate beautiful things, the Toledo Museum of Art is a must-see. It's a place where art comes to life, and every corner has a story to tell. Next up, we're heading to the Toledo Zoo and Aquarium, and get this, they have a baby rhino. How cute is that? And this little guy's not the only star of the show. They've got lions, tigers, bears, oh my! Plus, a fantastic aquarium with all sorts of amazing sea creatures. It's the perfect place to spend the day with the whole family, learning about animals and having a blast. Calling all curious minds. Imagination Station is where science comes to life. This place is all about hands-on exhibits, so get ready to roll up your sleeves and get learning. You can explore the human body, experiment with gravity, even create your own tornado. It's educational and entertaining for kids and adults alike. You might even learn something new yourself. If you need a little peace and quiet, head over to the Toledo Botanical Garden. This 60-acre oasis is a feast for the senses. Beautiful flowers, lush greenery, and the sweet smell of nature. They also have amazing events throughout the year, like concerts, art shows, and even a pumpkin walk in the fall. It's the perfect place to relax, recharge, and connect with nature. All right, sports fans, it's time to catch a game at Fifth Third Field, home of the Toledo Hens. This iconic stadium is a must-visit for any baseball enthusiast. This minor league baseball team knows how to put on a show. The energy is electric, the players are passionate, and every game is filled with thrilling moments. The food is delicious. Hello, hot dogs and Cracker Jacks. And there are plenty of options to satisfy your cravings. The atmosphere is fun for the whole family. So grab your peanuts and Cracker Jacks, bring the kids along, and make some unforgettable memories. Put on your rally caps, show your team spirit, and join in the excitement. Get ready to cheer on the Hens. Whether you're a die-hard fan or a first-time visitor, the experience is sure to be a home run. Get ready to set sail at the National Museum of the Great Lakes. This place is dedicated to the rich maritime history of the Great Lakes region. You can explore historic ships, learn about shipwrecks, and even try your hand at navigating a freighter. It's a fascinating journey through time that will leave you feeling like a true sailor. Wildwood Preserve Metro Park is over 500 acres of pure outdoor bliss. We're talking scenic hiking trails, peaceful meadows, and even a historic manor house you can tour. It's the perfect place to escape the hustle and bustle of city life and reconnect with nature. Pack a picnic, grab your hiking boots, and get ready to explore. Head over to the Toledo Firefighters Museum and find out. You can check out antique fire trucks, learn about the history of firefighting, and even try on some gear. It's a fun and educational experience for the whole family, and it might even inspire a future firefighter or two. Maumee Bay State Park is your go-to destination. This beautiful park has it all: sandy beaches, a golf course, hiking trails, and even a boardwalk. You can spend the day swimming, sunbathing, fishing, or just relaxing by the water. It's the perfect place to soak up some rays and enjoy the great outdoors. Head over to Hollywood Casino Toledo for a night of entertainment. This glitzy casino has all your favorite games, from slots to poker to blackjack. And if gambling isn't your thing, no worries. They also have live music, delicious dining options, and even a comedy club. It's the perfect place to let loose, have some fun, and maybe even win big. So there you have it, folks, the 10 best places to visit in Toledo, Ohio. From art and history to nature and entertainment, Toledo has something for everyone. Who knew the Midwest could be so much fun? So what are you waiting for? Start planning your trip to Toledo today. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel guides and tips. See you next time.